Hey guys, it is Tuesday, so welcome to this week's vlog. We are off to town. I have no appointments today. Yay! I don't have to take the dog. I don't have to get my nails done. I don't have to get my hair done. I don't know how I managed it, but I am just off to search for stuff for videos. We are going shopping. I have to get some more stuff for Mom. And just some bathroom things and some vitamins that she's getting low on. And I got a call from Walgreens that said one of her prescriptions has been recalled or discontinued or something like that. And it didn't say what it was. You have to go to Walgreens to find out. So I have to go to Walgreens. And we're going to TJ Maxx because that one like muscle tee I got, I love that. So I'm going to go see if they have any other colors. I'm getting them all. Where else? I have to go to Sam's Club because I forgot to take her shoes back last week. So we're going to take them back this week. I also need to get some more Pellegrino. And they had a set of sheets there in the teal color. And I want those sheets. So they were expensive though. I guess they probably weren't expensive for sheets. But I don't know. $80 for a set of sheets seems like a lot to me. So I didn't get them the last time. I got the ones that were Sam's Club brand. They were $50. But it was cheaper than $80. But I can't stop thinking about those other ones. They were so pretty. And I told my husband and he said that I should just get them. So that I will shut up about them probably. Anyways, he didn't say that. He said I should have got them because he likes teal. So, I'm going to get those and some Pellegrino and some salt for the water softener at Sam's. And then I want to go to TJ Maxx, which I already said, for those shirts and anything else I can find. Then I need to go I'm at TJ Maxx is in the mall, so I want to go to Icing in the mall. It's like kind of like Claire's, but I think Claire's went out of business. But last time I was there, I noticed that one was still there. So that's where I'm going to go. I didn't go there that day, but I'm going to go there today. So we're going to go there. And I can't think of anywhere else I need to go, but I'm sure I do. Oh, probably Target, because I need some more Ripple milk for my shakes. And I need some spinach that I forgot to put on my list too for my shakes. So, but that comes at Walmart, except not Ripple milk. Target's the only one that has it. So I'm going to go there and get that. And I think that's all. Which is good because it's like 11:30. It's taking me forever to get out of the house because I didn't have to be anywhere at a certain time. So I screwed around. Anyways, I will check back in with you guys later and show you what I got. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and we are off to the doctor's. Mom has an appointment to have her pacemaker checked. See, that's Mom. And that is where we are headed. So we are off. She did have a little occupational therapy this morning and so now we're ready to go. I will check back in with you later.
We're going to do like we did last week. I'm going to have you name some things. We're going to try 3 things of categories. And loud and proud, remember, on the 3 things. How about 3 clothing items? 3 items of clothes. Yeah, 3 clothing items. You can look at what you're wearing. You can look at what I'm wearing. PJs. A shirt. Well, that's the PJs. Yeah, pajamas or PJs and shirt. What do you wear on your feet? Socks. there you go. Look at that. That's 3 items of clothes. How about 3 states? Alabama, Tennessee, and Georgia. How come you're whispering though? Just because you can? Well, remember I told you whispering's not good for your vocal cords. It puts an extra strain on them, and it can actually cause vocal nodules and things like that. It really causes it's not good for your larynx, your vocal cords. So talking good, talking loud and proud is good. How about 3 kinds of fruit? Whispering again. Apples, just use your voice. And pears. What's the long one that you peel? Yes, ma'am. You're picking up what I'm throwing down. I like that. Okay, how about 3 trees? Let's see, there's oak, elm, and what is the one that we get syrup from? Yes, maple. Very good.
Very good. Good. Okay, one tiny step forward so you're not leaning up against the back of your chair. There you go. Now separate your feet. Good. Okay. Very good. I don't even have hold of you. I don't. Nope. Stand there for just a minute. Reach up here with this hand. Touch mine. Good. Your balance is getting better. Lock that knee into place. Up. Good. Up. Good. Up. Good. Up. 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 Push your walker. Good. Push your walker up. Good. Keep pushing your walker up. Very good. I'm going to take my hands with one of them. Good. Got your balance? No? Okay. 5 times. Don't inch anything. Good. Very good. 1. Good. I don't know where the wobbly. 2, all the way back up. 3. Good. Okay, hold on, I'm not right moving. And 5, and then reach up all the way to the sky for me. Stand up real tall, tuck your bottom in, like you're pushing the kitchen drawer. There you go. Out to the sides. Out to the sides like you're an airplane. There you go. Tuck your bottom in. There you go. Up to the sky. Tuck your bottom in. There. Keep your bottom just like that while you're standing up to the sky. Way up high. Up, up, up. Your arms. Out to the side. Good. Okay. Good job. You did good.
Hey guys, I just thought I would come in and do an ending to the vlog because I forgot to come back on Tuesday and show you what I got. And I didn't come back on Wednesday and tell you what happened at the doctor's appointment, so I thought I'll just do that now. Okay, so Tuesday when I went shopping, I got a couple of shirts. I got this guy from TJ Maxx. Isn't that cute? It's super thin, so it's like a sweatshirt, kind of, but it's super thin, and it says New York, New York, and then on the back it says the Beagle has landed. I love it, and it was $7.99. They only had one. It's an extra small, but it's not really that small, I don't think. I tried it on, it fits fine. I also got, I got this polo shirt and these shorts. Well, you can't see the shorts, but they're just like jean Bermuda shorts type ones. I needed some jean shorts that were longer, that were fitted, not loose, because I have short shorts with the cuff, but they're really short, and I just don't think my legs are up to that these days. So I wanted some like these, and these are awesome, even though you can't see them, but they're just really plain, but I love them. And then I got this shirt, which I already put on a hanger, and I already tried it on. And it is super cute. It is one of the cold shoulder ones, and I got it for making videos. So, well, I just got it, but I'm gonna use it to make videos. So you'll be seeing this one in a video soon. But isn't it cute? And I got it at TJ Maxx, and it was $12.99. I'm so cheap. But I just think, why spend gazillions of dollars when there's cute ones that are not gazillions? So, and then I got this one, which doesn't look quite as good on just because it's not as fitted. It's kind of loose, but I still like it because I like them when their neck is kind of high. That one, I'm not sure. I may end up taking it back. I really like it, but the straps are so little, and it's like I have to get a racer back. Even with a racer back bra, I think the bra strap might show, and I don't want that. So, but this one, it doesn't show. This one is super cute because I just like the color, and it's really simple. And it was $12.99 also. I also got, and then this one is a Tommy polo. It's a polo. So it was like, I think $16.99 or something, maybe only $14.99. I don't know. I can't remember. But I decided that I needed it because at first I put it back because I thought, oh, it's more than all the rest and it's just a t-shirt. But then I decided, no, it's still a good price. So I went ahead and got it. I also got these earrings. I don't know if you guys can see them. And they were $16.99 at TJ Maxx. I thought they were super cute because they're like glow in the darky. So I got those, and then I also got a pair of sandals at Sam's Club that I love because they're like Birkenstocks, only they're not. They're Mountain Sole. But I thought they were so cute. And I have another pair that are Birkenstocks, and they look just like these, only they're black, and this part is not braided. It's just there. And they are super comfortable, and I've had them for like a long time, years. And they look perfectly good. So hopefully these, not being Birkenstocks, will last also. Anyways, that's all I think I got on Tuesday. And the doctor's appointment on Wednesday was actually not a doctor's appointment. It was just to go get her pacemaker checked. We did have a doctor's appointment on Monday. And that was, oh, it was last Monday. I think I already told you about it. It was with the cardiologist. He's the bomb. I really liked him. Of course, we don't need to see him again for 6 months, is what he said. But he sent us to the hospital, the heart center part of the hospital. And that's where we went because her pacemaker is Boston Scientific, and they don't use those. She had it put in California. And he said, we don't really use that kind around here. So he needed us to go to the heart center on that day because that's the day that the person that works for the company was going to be there. And so we went there. It took like 5 minutes. It took way longer to go down the stairs and drive all the way down there than it did for the thing. They just put this thing around her neck, and it had this little plastic thing on the end, and they put that, and that set right over her heart, and it was hooked to a computer, and it took like 5 minutes, and they're like, no, everything looks great here. Battery's got 7 years on it. So that was perfect. So that is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Share it with everybody you know on your social medias. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.